Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Figma prototype links for clickable UI demos, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Figma prototype links for clickable UI demos, start by opening your Figma project. Navigate to the prototype you want to share. Look for the prototype tab at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the prototype tab to access the prototyping options. Now, select the frame or artboard you wish to use as the starting point for your prototype. On the right sidebar, find the prototype settings. Set the interactions for your prototype by adding links to other frames. Drag the connector from the selected frame to the target frame. Choose the interaction type from the drop-down menu. You can set the action to on-click, on-hover, or other available options. Adjust the animation settings according to your preference. Once you're satisfied with your prototype, click on the Present button in the top right corner. This opens up a preview of your prototype. You can interact with the demo to test all the links and transitions. To share your prototype, click on the Share button in the upper right corner. In the sharing options, make sure to adjust the link settings to allow others to view it. You can set permissions for anyone with the link to view or comment. After configuring the settings, click on Copy Link to copy your prototype link. You can now share this link with your audience. When users click on the link, they will be directed to your Figma prototype. Test the link in an incognito window to ensure it works as intended. Make any necessary adjustments to your prototype if needed. This process allows for easy sharing of interactive UI demos. Now you can showcase your designs effectively through clickable prototype links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.